The best part of the mentoring program for me so far, I suppose, is just for me, it's just giving confidence that we're heading in the right direction. That's probably been the biggest factor for me. The second one is that clearly without sales, you don't have a business. And between Andy and I, we've been really focusing on the sales process. And whilst it's been 3, 4 months now, I can't believe, I'm really surprised and really happy with the sales process we've got in place now. It's made a significant difference. But I would say that I'm still amazed at the tinkering and ongoing changes that I'm making to make it really refined for us. So, yes, I think in summary, it's the confidence heading forward and the sales process. For me, the two things being and how they've affected the business, I think a little bit of confidence. We definitely had some concerns there. We've been working really hard in the last 2 years. And it kind of felt like duck underneath the water, going hard out, but nothing really happening on the surface. So for us, again, it feels like the effort we're putting in, we're actually starting to see the results, and that's making us happier. And we haven't quite started seeing the financial results yet, but things clearly take time. The exciting thing is we're starting to see a pipeline grow. So for me and the directors, we're confident that we're heading in the right direction. The good things I am getting is Andy helping out with templates, etc., and just giving us some advice of where to start. Whereas before, we had nowhere to start. So that's been a huge help. The second thing is just taking little micro steps. So instead of panicking and going far out, I've got this massive behemoth sales process I need to do. Literally, Andy's been helping us go, let's just break each step down at a time. And again, it's a little bit of that confidence thing. You just knock one thing off, and then in 2 months' time, we look back and go far out. We've come up with these 5 templates. We've now got these process steps. And so when people come to me and they panic about, well, what do we do with sales? I just go, look, refer to the process, but don't worry about the 30-page process we've come up with so far. Just look at these 2 pages, and let's just focus for this particular customer on that particular step. And the biggest challenge before we joined the mentoring program is definitely sales. Like I said, we're trying really hard, but for some reason on the sales, we definitely weren't getting the traction. Well, either we weren't getting the traction or getting some negative feedback, which was obviously frustrating. Now we're getting positive traction, and the customers that are working with us are giving us really positive feedback. So we haven't even signed them up yet, but they're already advocating to other people, hey, look, I'm having a really positive experience with MH Builders. And obviously, because I've been a big implementer of the sales process and working with Andy, clearly that's just giving me more confidence just to carry on ticking away at them and working really hard. I'm still working on the sales process and still doing those micro steps and working our customers through. So I think we've got about 5 in the pipeline now at all at various stages. And at each stage, again, it's helping me just refine that process and go, I think we can improve it a little bit better there, or I think we need a template here. So it's that ongoing process improvement. And the second biggest thing for me is financials and controls. And I've still got concerns around those. But the good thing is that, again, I'm working with Andy, and each time Andy takes us through, look, we need to have a look at this now. I get a little bit apprehensive, but then when I see what Andy's doing, I can almost feel a little bit of the stress levels come off my shoulders to go, right, no, I totally get that. That makes complete sense. So already I'm feeling more comfortable that whilst we haven't got the controls in place, we're heading in the right direction. So I would already say that in 6 months' time from here, I'd be really comfortable that we have got a business and we've got really good basic financial controls to know that our business is healthy, and we're not just guessing and hoping that it's going to be healthy. In terms of finding it, whether what Andy has taught us in terms of being difficult or challenging, I suppose a little bit, but I think but Andy's always there, whether it be via email or catch up on the calls. There's so many different resources, I suppose, to tap into. So I suppose my approach has always been, I'm going to give it a go without asking help. And 9 times out of 10, that's actually been sufficient. But I always know in the back of my mind that Andy's there. And if I have to, I'll flick Andy off a quick email. He'll come back to me, and then I go, oh, geez, okay, it's as simple as that. No worries. And then we just go forward from there.